Hi guys, this is Peter, so Icitify Tech. So today this is the new update about the new calculator we're building for a particular client's store. So now this is how it's going to work. So we asked the AI to calculate a word for us and give us a response. It's something kind of very, so let's check it out. It's equation is still coming up, but we are currently working on the equation section, but right now we only do the calculator. So let's try it out. So it chooses us, hello, what are we doing today? Then what are we doing today? Calculator or equation. So I can search calculator. So it said, let's get started. Kindly choose the mode of calculator: plus, minus, multiply, divide. So let's choose plus. You can even write a plus sign and still work. So let's say thanks. Let's get started. Input your first number. So let's say we put this number. Input your second number. So it said your result equals to 3346 plus 8790 equals to 12136. Then in case you want to subtract, this is the most sweetest part of it. In case you want to subtract, your result will be 544. In case you want to multiply, you can check it with your calculator. That's what you're gonna get. And in case you want to divide, do you want to do anything else? If I said no, it's going to say calculator close, have a nice day. So if I want to start again, I can say calculator, let's use subtract calculator. So let's choose minus. Let's just write the minus sign. Let's get started. First number, second number. So he said your result will be minus 5122. In case you want us to add, same thing and same thing. So if I said yes this time, it's still going to ask you. Okay, he said thank you for your response. Let's start again. You can see it here. Thank you for the response. Let's start again with an emoji. Let's get started. Then you choose another mode again. If we choose divide, said first number, second number, and bring your result again. So that is how it works. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. So we are currently working on a number guessing game whereby you can guess. It will give you a gap like this. It will give you a gap. Choose a number. So we have one of the number here. Let's say boy. You can see, but we are still working on it, so it's still under development. So see you next time. Thank you so much. Have a great day.